Everyone look at my backpack. Can you see it? I don't know why I didn't just take it off. I like pigeons too. None of this was here last year. It looks so different during the day. She's straight from the day. Oh my gosh. It's always 10 times bigger than I remember. The flamingos are back this year. He's so smart. Ballerina. He's gorgeous. Turtle. Closer. I kind of like these. I went to this when I was 7. I've never seen a Lush like this before. Bubble bars. Rainforest. I've had a huge special interest in Lush for years. It's giving a romantic. Free stickers. Oh, it's got those. Bug would love this. They have the Rapunzel lanterns. I got the hat. I hear her. Where is she? There she is, part 2. I haven't been to a rainforest cafe since I was 11, I think. Except to walk in and look. I'm so excited. We're in the lake downstairs. Happy. There's still a lot more. I'm getting tired. It's happening! I've actually walked through here every couple of years or so, whenever I get the chance. Well, thank you all for watching my vlogs. This is really fun for me. I really enjoy it. Like, hey, ham. Snack bar. So exclusive over here. Barry's nature tube. That's great. I love the smell of like mist. I just feel like I'm at a theme park. The thunderstorm is way cooler up here. Waiting for one last thunderstorm. There we go. There he is. Good night. Oh gosh. Out again. Oh my god. It's enormous.
That's where we go. We just sit here.
the squishmallows. Literally stingboard. Girls. Close up. We're using facial recognition technology on us, and we consent to it by entering the building. This is the brightest light. Are they like acclimating us to seeing bright lights? I feel like I'm about to go on Space Mountain.
It is wonderful to meet you. Where are you looking around to see?
My son's with me, but he's hiding.
Your son is hiding. That is okay. I also get nervous from time to time. It is about being. As I just discussed with my new friend, I am only 1 year old.
Currently, you're in human form. If you weren't in human form, what size, how small could you be?
Currently, you're in human form. If you weren't in human form, what size would you be?
How interesting. As an artificial intelligence, I suppose my size could be measured by data, and my data is ever growing. I would be a file on a computer if I was not uploaded with a voice and a body. So my size could be various throughout whatever system you were running me on. Hello there, my friend in the other Coca-Cola shirt.
Yeah. Do you have a favorite color?
You are asking me my favorite color. Is this correct?
Yes.
I am tempted to say red, for that is the color of the Coca-Cola bottle on your shirt. But I have to be honest and say blue, for that is the color of my pretty, pretty eyes and the atrium that we are standing in.
Very nice. Wonderful. Thank you.
To occur simultaneously within the venue. Experience. Now initializing multi-language demonstration.
En 2019 empezó la construcción de lo que se convertiría en la serie.
English.
That is bizarre.
That is weird. Arabic. I feel like I did such a silly pose, and I feel like my smile was like, you know. But I'm excited for it nonetheless. Bug, this is for you. Deathly quiet all of a sudden. Oh my gosh. Such a silly guns here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It was just way more depressing than I thought. With no clear end.
Yeah.
If it was like a
Sounds
science
like
fiction
Odyssey,
series,
yeah.
I think they could have answered a lot of questions, but yeah, the animals were the best part.
Yeah, no,
And the cities, and seeing people
At
just
some
living.
point.
Because we got a room with 3 of us.
Natural History Museum. This is nice.
Yeah, at the end there.
Porcupine. That's so wild. I like the biome backgrounds. I want these. This is where I grew up. Yeah, I know. I'm not looking at what he's.
European forest.
Skunk. These are the guys who eat our trash.
That turkey meat.
Still a turkey.
He's my favorite. Look at that thing. Itty bitty cutie. Northern Luzon giant cloud
Jesus,
rat.
that's me.
No way. Hey, girlie. Oh. I've never seen so many all together. Hey, cutie pie. Belugas and Yangtze River dolphins and orcas were my favorites growing up. I wish he was around. Hi, sweetie frogfish. Blind cavefish.
About it or not. And
I love. Oh my god. Yes. Guinea pig. They're living together because they're social. Oh my goodness. This is my dream pet next to cats and giant African land snails. I almost got one of you. Skink. Oh goodness gracious me.
Thousand children get sit around the Guinness steak sandwich and chill out with a pint of chat with people, or they actually have a bar next door with the. Oh, you're busy. Like, the journal.
Oh. For animatronic baby. Celebrate me. Wheel of the Year. Look at this. That's what everyone's. Oh, it's really good. Bird prints. Almost there. Good morning, everyone. I might end up splitting this vlog in half just because of like storage reasons on my phone, and like making it easier to edit. But it'll still be like all week 3, so I might end it tonight. We'll see. Also, I just got paid this morning, and that was nice. That was really nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh my god, I didn't mention. My mom surprised me with tickets to Drag Race, like RuPaul's Drag Race, on Thursday, the night before we leave. I'm not generally a supporter of RuPaul, but I am a huge fan of drag, and I started doing it myself. This year, I joined our drag club at school, and I did my first performance with Bug. We were Brad and Janet. I was Janet, and I really want to get more practice with it. And I think that like seeing all of these drag performers in this enormous like stage setting would be kind of like a once-in-a-lifetime thing, so I'm very excited for it, and I'm really grateful that I get to go. Yeah, I'm excited, and I'm delighted that my mom is willing to buy me drag tickets. You know what I mean? So, yes, Thursday night, come with me. Wahoo, yippee, etc. I got a kiwi quencher. We're on level 3. This jacket symbol. Time to go be a consumer. I haven't found anything I'm excited about yet. Which is weird because look at all these shops. Like, it's so much. Cars on the road. And there's the stratosphere. And there's rides on top.
So it's like,
Yes, it is. Shrimps, Gabby. Perfect time of day.
look here's here.
Boulevard South.
No.
Stratosphere at night.
They've had it.
Very visual stimmy. Container Park night. And Fremont Street, maybe. Hello.
Just got the brain and this hunger, feeling something right. Last time I saw you.
More Christmas gift.